How to add song to Instagram post after posting it. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. You will land to the home page. Unfortunately, you cannot add song to Instagram post after posting it, but what you can do is you can add it to story and add music. Likewise, you can re-upload the post and add music to it. You can see this post, I have already uploaded it. By tapping on these three dots given at the top right corner of the post, you will find different options. You can edit different aspects of the post, as you can tag people, you can add some text, likewise you can add caption. But right now there is no any feature to add music in Instagram after posting it. So what you can do is you can just tap on this share icon. Now you can tap on this option of add to story given at the bottom left corner. Now at the top right, you will find different options. Tap on this smiley kind of icon. With that, different options will pop up. Select the option of music. Over here, you will find different music options. You can choose any of the song that you would like to add in your story, or also you can search for it. At the top, you can see the search box. Over here, you can just type in the name of the music that you want to add in your story. Right now, I will be selecting this one. By swiping on right and left in this way, you can just select the particular part of the music. Likewise, from here you can select the clip duration. You can select up to 15 seconds. After you do that, you can also select the template. And after you are done, you can tap on this option of your story. With that, you have just uploaded the post in your story along with the music. You can check it out. So right now, this is the only way to add music in the Instagram post after posting. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.